Hi, I'm Miriam and welcome to Mimi's Bowl Kitchen. For me, the kitchen is really at the heart of our home and it is one of the most important rooms of the house. It's where I spend so much of my time with my family, but also for work. We bought this house when I was pregnant with my little girl. It wasn't in great condition and we spent about a year planning how to turn it back into a family home. I think homes that are special are homes that have many layers and are built over time, and you layer in different pieces that have meaning to you. And that is one of the reasons I really like Kalinko products. I think they have a real artisan element. They're exactly the sort of thing I would want in my home. I hate homes that are sort of pulled out of a catalogue or where people feel pressure to copy a specific look. I think it's nice to take influences from lots of different places and bring them together in your own way.